Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
To get into Alpha Atomfall, start by confirming prerequisites. Create the game account and link it to the platform storefront, ensure platform compatibility, and update to the Alpha Build 1. 4. Download size is roughly 3 GB, and the client recommends at least 8 GB RAM and a modern GPU to maintain 60 FPS. Check regional availability because some alpha tests are limited by country, and read and sign any tester agreement or NDA within 72 hours to secure your slot. Next, follow the application path. Complete the official alpha sign-up form precisely and watch for a 48-hour confirmation email. Join the Atomfall Discord server and link your game account in the designated testers channel. That improves selection chances. If using Steam, open storefront properties betas and select the alpha branch to opt in or enter a provided alpha key. Verify your email and enable 2FA so developers can trust your account and send invites or keys quickly. When you receive access, launch the alpha client and follow onboarding instructions carefully. Reproduce issues step by step and submit bug reports with timestamps, logs, and screenshots. Keep your GPU drivers current, allocate at least 8 GB RAM, and run the game at 1920x1080 if performance parity is required. Save client logs and upload crash dumps when requested, document exact reproduction steps, and promptly respond to developer surveys or follow-up messages to increase your chance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.